here in Hiroshima, and we at my back behind us is the remnants of the atomic bomb in 1942, I think, and we are now World War II, and we are now here visiting this place together with my wife Thea, and we are now looking here for taking some pictures and videos, and we are making this tour here, and in front of us is the river. There's a river in here, and we're gonna find a restaurant here for now, and we try to order bird's nest soup here, and so that we can taste also, because Japan is also considered as their delicacy, the soup soup.
Yeah, so we're gonna
Because
find one.
we are
Bye for now.
we are also making this because we are here taking our tour here in Japan.
Okay.
Okay.
We'll be right back.
This is a very beautiful place. There's very nice trees, and of course the ground is very clean, and even here it is a city, but still they have a lot of trees around their buildings, and they are waving me, my companion waving me, because we're gonna go other place, and maybe we're going to the okay, we want to take some picture. I'm now right here in Hiroshima, where the atomic bomb targeted this area, and this is now the area. There's a lot of visitors here coming because of they wanted to visit this area, because this area was bombed by the American to end the World War II, and now this at my back is the pond of peace, Hiroshima. There's a lot of visitors here. They are coming because of the history, and most of the people knows about it. And now we are walking forward to. We are now here in Japan to find food, and we are also trying to find where we can order the swiftlet soup or bird's nest soup here. So we are now moving forward to the area where we can buy our food, because it's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon, so maybe you can find food here. We are trying to find a food where we can buy. Maybe this one. This is that area over there is area where we can find bugs, and I think this bag is worth 1 million yen. This one 250,000. Tala natin, balik ta. There's a lot of food in here. Look at the face. This is a restaurant. It's a Japanese cuisine. Here also, I don't know what kind of food is this, but I'm sure it is a Japanese dishes. This is the number one. I tried to find the number two. This is a tree here, and as you can see, there's the menu written in the Japanese symbols or letters. And this area here is very crowded. This is the area where a lot of foods that you can find here. Okay. This is a very, can you say, to the face and the entrance of the restaurant? Is it eating or is a ship? Here also is the crab, the moving crab. Yeah, and this is the menu. Look at the crab. Good morning, everyone. Sorry yesterday that we did not find the bird soup in Osaka, the iconic street food in Japan. and yesterday I was battery empty, so I did not make more videos to share to you, and hopefully in coming days in our tour in Japan, we could find those that soap. And thank you guys for watching my video, and please subscribe and share to your friends, and thank you so much.